Are you looking to scrape public government data without dealing with complicated code or technical setup? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to scrape public government data using Browse AI, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Browse AI is an intuitive web scraping tool designed to help you gather public data from any website, including government sites, in a fraction of the time. Whether you need statistics, public records, or anything else accessible online, Browse AI can do it with just a few clicks. Best of all, you can use this software completely for free through the exclusive link in the description below. Now let's get into the details. First off, if you're new to Browse AI, it's a web scraping tool that doesn't require any coding. You simply set it up, select what you want to scrape, and let the tool do the work. When it comes to scraping public government data, Browse AI makes it incredibly easy by automating the extraction of data without overwhelming you with technical jargon. To start, you'll need to create an account, and don't worry, it's free to get started. Once you're in, Browse AI gives you the option to use AI-powered data extraction, meaning it can recognize patterns on the page, just like a human would. For example, if you're trying to scrape government data sets that list public records, Browse AI can help you identify the sections of the web page that hold this data. All you need to do is point and click. Next, when it comes to scraping government data, many websites are designed with static pages that are relatively straightforward to navigate. Browse AI can extract data such as addresses, contact details, or even tables of legal documents with ease. Simply highlight the data you want, and Browse AI will learn exactly what to extract, from which page, and in what format you need it. It's a huge time saver compared to manual copy-pasting or complicated coding solutions. And here's a really cool feature. Browse AI uses robots that can run your scraping task automatically in the background, meaning you don't have to sit there and wait for the data to load. It works 24/7, and you can schedule tasks to run at specific times, so you're always getting fresh data from the sources you care about, including government websites. If you're scraping data like public records, census information, or local government databases, Browse AI allows you to download the extracted data in various formats, such as CSV, JSON, or Excel. This makes it easy to work with the data in whatever tool you're using, whether it's for analysis, reporting, or archiving. The simplicity and flexibility of the tool make it perfect for anyone looking to gather large amounts of public government data efficiently. Another huge benefit of Browse AI is its ability to handle both simple and complex scraping tasks. If the government website you're scraping has multiple layers of content, like pagination, filters, or drop-down menus, Browse AI can handle those complexities too. Just map out how to navigate through the site, and Browse AI will replicate that process to get you the exact data you need. I should also mention that Browse AI is built with compliance in mind. Public government data is accessible, but some websites have rules in place that restrict excessive scraping. Browse AI respects these limitations by ensuring that the scraping process is done at an optimal speed and avoids violating any website's terms of service. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Browse AI right away with an exclusive bonus offer. Click the link in the description for an extended free trial to help you get started. This offer is available only through the link below. Whether you're a digital marketer, a researcher, or just someone needing government data, Browse AI is a powerful, easy-to-use solution. It's a game changer for anyone serious about scraping public government data quickly and effectively. So why wait? Check out the link in the description to get started for free.